Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert watermark from page 3 in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert watermark from page 3. Firstly, go to the design menu. Then click watermark option. Then choose custom watermark. Then check mark on the text watermark and change the text. Then change the color. Then click OK. Then go to the second page and go to layout menu. Then click breaks drop down menu. Choose continuous. Then go to the third page and apply the same process. Then go back the insert menu and click header option. Then choose blank header. Then select the link to previous and go back the second page. Then apply the same process. Then click the watermark and delete. Then go to the first page and delete this text. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see here we insert watermark only third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.